Okay, chapter 8, mixed exercise, page 169, question 1. The 16th row of Pascal's triangle is 1, 15, 105. Find the next two values. So we can make Pascal's triangle using the NCR button on the calculator, and so we would do 15 C0 for that one, and 15 C1 for this one, and 15 C2 for this one, and then we would need to do 15 C3 and 15 C4. 1, 2. Yep. So doing this one, we get 455, and this one we get 1,365. If you don't have Pascal's triangle, the calculator available to you, what you can do is you can use the formula for NCR, which can be written as NCR, which is equal to, sometimes just gets written NR, like that, and then it is equal to n factorial, okay, r factorial, n minus r factorial. And so to do the first one down here of 15, 3, don't know why that's got that. Okay, we would have 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial with 15 minus 3, which is 12 factorial. Okay, now when that's all said and done, we are going to end up with 15 times 14 times 13, because the times 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 would have all got cancelled away with the 12 times 10 times 11 times 10 times 9 for the 12 factorial, all over 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1, basically 6. So if we quickly do that on the calculator, 15 times 14 times 13 is 273006, which is the 455. And you can do a very similar thing for the 15C4. With that done, the next part of the question is hence find the coefficients of x to the power of 3 in the expression of 1 plus 2x. Okay, so find the coefficient of x to the power of 3 of 1 plus 2x to the power 15. Okay, so using your binomial expansion, we can say that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2x, and n is equal to 15. And so as we come down doing each step of this, okay, we can get a to the n so we have a to the n plus n1 a to the n minus 1 b plus n over 2, it's not over 2, it's just 2, a n minus 2 b2, okay, and then plus n3 a to the n minus 3 b to the 3. Now it's this term that we want. So n to the 3, 15 to the 3 is 455. A is 1 to the power of 15 minus 3, okay, and 2x to the power 3. So that's 455 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 again is 8x cubed. 455 times 8 is 3640. Is the coefficient of the x cubed term. Okay. Question 2 next. So, question 2. They state that 45 over 17 is equal to 45 factorial over 17 factorial a factorial. And we know from the previous question, because I wrote down the formula, that NR is equal to this formula. So we've got 45 minus 15 in there. Okay, so A, therefore A is equal to 45 minus 17. Okay, 45 minus 17 then is 28. A is equal to 28. Okay, question 3 then, just because it's the only one that isn't a P or an E question in the entire exercise. I feel sorry for it, it needs to be done. Question 3. So 20 people play a game, and it's the probability that exactly n people win the prize is modelled as 20n p to the n 1 minus p 20 minus n. So if we are looking for the probability of 5 people winning, probability of 5 people winning, and the probability of 1 winning is equal to a half, then we are going to have the probability of 5, that's the n number, is equal to 25, a half to the power 5, 1 minus a half for the probability, 20 minus 5, 15. Okay, put all of that into the calculator. One over 32 for that, so that's minus a half. Okay, that's multiplied by a minus number, by the way. Okay, so that times by 1 divided by 32 times by 15504. Okay, and we get minus. Okay, that was plus, that was plus. So three significant figures, 0.0148. Okay. Same again for part B. So the probability of 13 people winning, probability of one person winning is 0.7. Okay, so 2013, 0.7 to the power of 13, and 1 minus 0.7, 20 minus 13. So 2013 on the NCR is 77520. 0.7 to the power 13 is 9.688 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay, and 0.3 to the power 7, 2.187 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay. So times that one by that one, times by 77520. Okay, and we get 0.1642. So 0.164. All right. Well, that's what it would be if I had written down the correct answer. They wanted nobody winning it, not 13 people winning it. But if 13 people were winning it, it would be 0.164. Okay, so let's do B again. And this time they want the probability of 0 people winning it, and the probability of one person winning it is 0.7. Okay, so probability of 0 people winning it gives you 20 to 0, and then the 0.7 to the power of 0, 1 minus 0.7 to the power of 7. Okay, so let's try that again. 20 NCR 0 is, of course, 1. I'm just going to come down the line here. Times 0.7 to the power is 1, times 0.3 to the power of 20. 0.3 to the power of 20 is 3.49 times 10 to the minus 11. Okay, and then finally coming down here for C, now we get the probability of 13 people winning, but this time the probability that one person wins is 0.6. Be interesting to see how much it changes by just that, since we did it for 0.7. Okay, so probability of 13 equals 2013, 0.6 to the power of 13, and 1 minus 0.6 to the power of 20 minus 13. So we get the 77,400 520 from the previous question. 0.6 to the power 13 is 1.306 and some change times 10 to the minus 3 and what is it? 7.4 to the power 7. 1.6384 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay. And so when we multiply that out, we get 0.1658, so 0.166. Not a lot of difference, unsurprisingly.